How to use Freeform like a pro in 2025. In case you didn't notice, there's an app on your MacBook called Freeform. To sum it up, this is a sketchbook-based app. Basically, what you do in here is you have a set of sketchbooks that you can create, and it's basically you can get yourself a set of like flowcharts or graphs or anything you might find, and you can get yourself a visual aid of anything that you're trying to learn or communicate. So let's go for the first example. I like to call it the sticky note method. So in here, what I did was to set myself a set of sticky notes in here. You can actually open up a text block module in here, like an edit, and you can put it down here. So in this first sticky note, what I did was that I got 10 words in Spanish, and I found the French equivalents, so the translation. So on the left side is my native language in Spanish, and if I slide this thing here outside, you're gonna find the answers in French. This is a good way for you to have like sticky notes and try to diversify them and make them much more engaging. And you can also pair them up. So this line here indicates that they both go along, they go in tandem, so they don't get misplaced in this sketchbook. So just to give you some other examples, this is from a past email that I got. I basically, from that email, this is something that I like to do for future references. I keep like French newsletters, and I get the Spark notes, those like main key points, and I convert them into sticky notes. So what I do in here is to start learning those words. They're like try to like sum it up in a sticky note. So this will be like a word for me to get myself as a reminder with anything that I found. It could be an email, lecture, book, you name it. I try to record them in here. It's very dynamic. It's very engaging. Doesn't take that much time, maybe 5 minutes out of your day. So let's go to the second method that I like to call like the social media method. In here, I've been going through many different posts on Instagram Reels or TikTok, and I basically screenshot as many posts as possible. So on the first screenshot, what I like to do is that I block the answers. So take for example this one in here. I basically make a first screenshot and I edit the post with text blocks. So just open up your edit tab and you can set yourself a couple text blocks and just put it on top of the answers. The second screenshot, which is duplicate, I'm going to be leaving it as it is. So no edits at all. And what you're going to get here is the before and after, or the questions and the answers. Again, you can line it up, you can pair them up, and you can make sure they have a line so they don't get lost. It's very simple. It's a good way for you to like use those notes or those posts from TikTok or Instagram Reels, and this will be a much more better use of your social media feed. Again, you can put it back and hide it, and this is you can do it again and again. This is something that I found very useful, and yeah, Freeform is a very good app. I use it basically on a daily basis, and it's something you can do it on your own to your own judgment. So whatever you wanted to convey or lay out in a visual aid, put it out, and you can start making adjustments from it. So if you have tried it already, let me know. If you have any structure, also share in the comments, and I hope you find this video useful. This was a very quick video for this week, so I hope this brings value to your day. And if so, subscribe to my channel. I also have a Substack post of the same subject, which you're going to find in the description. So give it a look, and thank you for watching.